Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the WantJoin Multifunctional Cooking Blender, a high-speed countertop blender that promises to tackle everything from hot soups to cold smoothies. With its impressive 24,000 RPM motor, multiple preset modes, and sleek design, this blender could very well be the next addition to your kitchen arsenal. Let's see what it brings to the table. The WantJoin blender is designed to handle a wide variety of kitchen tasks. At its core, it features a 24,000 RPM motor that promises rapid blending for smoother results. It also boasts a 60-aughts capacity, which is perfect for larger batches of smoothies, soups, or even making soya milk. The blender comes equipped with 9 one-touch programs, offering convenience for busy mornings or meal prep. You can also take advantage of its 12-hour delay cook function, ensuring that your soya milk or soup is ready exactly when you want it. One standout feature is its self-cleaning modes. There are 2 options, one for quick post-blend cleaning and another for deep hot cleaning that runs for 4 minutes. The food-grade thickened glass cup and ceramic base make it easy to clean and durable, while the sharp blades make it versatile enough to crush ice or create nut butters. In terms of real-world performance, I found the WantJoin blender to be quite capable. Setting it up was straightforward, and within minutes, I was ready to put it to the test. The preset modes worked flawlessly, especially the soya milk setting, which allowed me to wake up to fresh hot milk without any filtering required. The 12-hour delay function is a game changer, as it allows for a completely hands-off experience if you're planning ahead the night before. The high-speed motor and sharp blades did an excellent job on smoothies, creating a silky smooth texture with ease. When testing for tougher tasks like nut butters, it did a solid job, though it did require a little more attention in terms of scraping down the sides of the blender. I also tried out the ice crushing function, and it was impressive. No watery slush, just cleanly crushed ice. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the blender is incredibly versatile. From smoothies to soups to nut butters, it handles everything with ease. The self-cleaning feature is a huge time saver, and the 2 modes for cleaning are efficient, especially when you're pressed for time. The large 60-aughts capacity is also a plus, as it means you can prepare larger quantities at once. However, it's not without its shortcomings. The 24,000 RPM motor is powerful, but it can get a little noisy, especially on higher speeds. Additionally, while the food-grade glass is durable, it does feel a bit on the heavier side, making the blender slightly cumbersome to lift when full. The DIY mode, while handy for customizations, might not be intuitive for all users, especially if you're not familiar with adjusting blender speeds. When considering value for money, the WantJoin blender stands out as a solid option. With its multifunctional capabilities, it competes well with other high-speed blenders in its price range. For example, blenders like the Vitamix or Blendtec offer similar power, but come at a significantly higher price point. That said, if you're on a budget or just starting to build your kitchen tools, this blender offers great versatility at a more affordable cost. However, if you're someone who needs extremely smooth textures every time, you may find the WantJoin's performance slightly less refined in certain tasks compared to premium models. Comparing the WantJoin to some other alternatives, it's clear that this product delivers on many of the same features as top-tier blenders, but at a fraction of the cost. If you're comparing it with something like the Ninja Professional Blender, you'll find similar motor speeds and ice crushing capabilities. But the WantJoin offers more specialized features like the 12-hour delay cooking function and self-cleaning modes, which set it apart. On the flip side, the Ninja Blender tends to offer a more robust design with a bit more power at a slightly lower price, though without the unique preset functions the WantJoin offers. The build quality is generally solid. The glass jar feels premium, and the ceramic base is a nice touch, offering both style and function. Long-term durability is something that hasn't been fully established yet, but given the reputation of the brand and the quality of materials used, it's likely that the WantJoin blender will last a while with proper care. Of course, like any appliance, heavy usage might eventually lead to wear on the motor or blades. But overall, it feels like a product built to endure daily use in the kitchen. Customer support is another area where WantJoin is relatively dependable. I didn't personally need to reach out for any assistance, but based on reviews and the brand's reputation, their response times are usually quick and helpful. In case of any issues, you can expect reasonable support, though it's worth noting that customer experiences may vary. As for updates, this blender is relatively straightforward. There's no software to update or firmware to worry about, so it doesn't require ongoing attention after purchase. Another win for convenience. In conclusion, the WantJoin Multifunctional Cooking Blender is a strong contender in its category. It provides excellent performance across a range of tasks, from blending smoothies to making soya milk, and its self-cleaning capabilities add a much-needed touch of convenience. While it's not the quietest blender on the market, and the glass container can be heavy, its overall value for money is impressive, especially considering its versatile features. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with high-end capabilities, this is definitely worth considering. However, if absolute smoothness and silent operation are top priorities for you, you may want to explore pricier alternatives. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested, you can find the link to the product in the comments below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts if you've already used this blender. Until next time, stay sharp and keep blending.